and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about polluted places. So let's get started. Now, in a change from normal practices, we're going to try to give you a more flowing conversation. So please try and stay with me on this. In leading question, you could be asked, can you describe a polluted place you've encountered? You can start off by saying, I'd like to talk about the polluted place I saw near my hometown. Well, where is this place located? The polluted place is situated along the outskirts of my town. I visited this polluted place a few months ago. I noticed air pollution and litter scattered around. The place was visibly affected as the air quality seemed poor and the surroundings were unsightly due to the litter. So as you can see, we have led the examiner through a story. First off, you told them where this place is. You've explained precisely what sort of area it is in your town, when you went, what was it like, and how was it affected. You've created a full arc that gives you maximum points. Obviously, for this example, we've tried to maintain it to be completely anonymous, so you can incorporate specifics as in what town, what place, to be left up to you. Now, next up we have our reading passage. Please read along with me at home, as it's intended to give you insight into the topic that you may not know about. Urbanization and air pollution. With the migration of populations from rural to urban areas, cities are expanding at an unprecedented rate. While urban centres offer economic opportunities, they also concentrate various sources of pollution, leading to elevated levels of air pollutants. Traffic emissions, industrial activities, and construction are some of the primary contributors to air pollution in urban areas. Traffic emissions. The surge in vehicular traffic, especially in densely populated cities, has resulted in higher emissions of pollutants, such as nitrogen oxide, particle matters. These pollutants can cause respiratory problems and contribute to smoke formation. Industrial activities. The concentration of industries in urban regions releases pollutants such as sulfur dioxide and volatile organic compounds into the air. These emissions can lead to respiratory illnesses and negatively impact air quality. The ongoing construction project in urban areas often generate dust and particle matter, which can worsen all air quality and pose health risks to both workers and residents. Vulnerable groups such as children and the elderly are particularly susceptible to the adverse effects of polluted air. The deterioration of air quality due to urbanization has serious consequences for public health. High levels of air pollutants can lead to respiratory diseases, cardiovascular problems, and other health issues. Air pollution resulting from urbanization not only affects human health, but also ecological repercussions. Pollutants can harm vegetation, soil quality, and aquatic ecosystems. The deposition of pollutants in water bodies can lead to eutrophication and disrupt aquatic life. Enforcing stringent regulations on emissions from industries and vehicles is essential to control pollution levels and protect public health. Promoting renewable energy sources and reducing dependence on fossil fuels can significantly reduce emissions from power generation and transportation. And implementing effective urban planning strategies that encourage sustainable transportation options, green spaces, and mixed land use development can help mitigate pollution levels. As cities continue to grow, the relationship between urbanization and air quality becomes more critical. A concerted effort from governments, industries, and individuals is necessary to curb air pollution, ensuring a healthier environment for both current and future generations. Okay, that's the story today. Next up, we have our range of vocab and expressions that I want you to take away and incorporate into your daily life. Pollution levels, urbanization, air quality, emissions, concentration of pollutants, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, particle matter, smoke formation, volatile organic compounds, respiratory problems, cardiovascular issues, health risks, adverse effects, public health, ecological repercussions, vulnerable groups, environmental impact, aquatic ecosystems, soil quality, urbanization, air quality, pollution levels, concentration of pollutants, urban growth, urban centres, migration, densely populated cities, economic opportunities. That is all the vocabulary and expressions for today. Next up is our paraphrasing exercises. And in another divergence from the norm, today I will not be giving any sample answers. We have paraphrasing questions, paraphrasing statements, and paraphrasing descriptions. I wish you luck. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.